Today we are going to have brainstorming over square, cube and multiplication of indices with the same base. My dear student, let's consider square. What does it mean? If we have a number which is given in the form of example 3 raised to 2, we can write it as 3 into 3. Here we know, my dear student, that 3 is base and base we have to write again and again, whereas 2 is index and the index is 2, so we have to write base 2 times. So we have written 3 raised to 2 as 3 into 3. My dear student, 3 raised to 2 can be read as 3 raised to 2. This can also be read as 3 squared squared. This can also be read as the square of 3. My dear student, here one thing we'll keep in mind. We have index as 2 and index as 2 is related to square. This thing we'll keep in our mind. Cube 5 raised to 3. My dear student, here we know 5 is base and index is 3. So you have to write base again and again. So you have written the base, that is 5, again and again. Index is 3, so we are writing it 3 times. So 5 into 5 into 5. This we have studied. This 5 raised to 3 can be read as 5 raised to 3. This can also be raised as 5 cube. This can also be read as the cube of 5. Here, my dear student, we have seen that index is 3 and when the index is 3, we related it to cube. So now, my dear student, from these two examples, we can keep something in mind. That is, indices with the power 2 or indices with the power 3. Indices with the index 2 and indices with the index 3. The second power of any number is square of that number. So, the second power of 3 is square of 3. The third power of any number is cube of that number. Here, the third power of 5 is the cube of 5. Now, my dear student, here we have learned the terminology, that is square and cube. The square is related to the index 2 and cube is related to the index Now my dear student, here we are going to study multiplication of indices with the same base. The example is given to us. Here, my dear student, there is multiplication sign. Here, there are two indices given which have the same base. And here, the base is 2. And these two indices with the same base are multiplied. So, we know 2 raised to 4 can be written as the base again and again 4 times. So, we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. Here, my dear student, there is multiplication sign. So, we will take here multiplication sign. Now, my dear student, the next number is 2 raised to 3. And indices we can write again and again. So, the base we have to write again and again. So, here we can write the base again and again, and base is what? 2. 1, 2, 3. My dear student, here the index is 3. So, we are written the base as 3 times. Now, this base we can write it at 1 time and then count the number of the base which is multiplied. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The base is multiplied 7 times. So we can write here to the index as 7, and this can be read as 2 raised to 7. My dear student, from this understanding we can also do certain activity. We can write the base which is common 1 time. Here, my dear student, two indices are given with the same base. So we have written the base and then we will try to add the index. 4 plus 3. So we get the answer 2, and 4 plus 3 7. So we get the answer 2 raised to 7, and here also we got the same answer, that is 2 raised to 7. Let's consider one more problem. My dear student, again we have here two indices which have the same base and they are multiplied, and this we can write in another form also. We can write the base again and again. So we will take here base which is minus 3, and we can write it again and again. Here the index is 2, so we can multiply it 2 times. Here, my dear student, there is multiplication sign, so we will take multiplication sign. Again, here we have the base minus 3, and we can multiply it again and again 3 times. Minus 3. Now, my dear student, minus 3, we will count how many times it is multiplied. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 5. Then, my dear student, we will get an answer. We will get an answer. Minus 3 raised to 5. We can do the same activity in another way also. Therefore, we can write minus 3 raised to 2 into minus 3 raised to 3 can be written as minus 3 raised to 2 plus 3 is equal to minus 3 raised to 5. My dear student, in both the condition we got the same answer. Let's try to study it with one more example. Let's consider the next problem. My dear student, here in the next problem, if you carefully observe, you will find out that we have two indices with the same base and they are multiplied. We can write it in another way also. Here minus 2 by 5 raised to 2 is given. So we can write minus 2 by 5 into minus 2 by 5. Multiplication sign will take as it is. Again minus 2 by 5 raised to 3. So we can write minus 2 by 5 into minus 2 by 5 into minus 2 by 5. Now the base is multiplied again and again, and the base is minus 2 by 5. And if it is multiplied again and again, how many times it is multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write here 5 as an index number. So we will get an answer minus 2 by 5 raised to 5. Therefore, we can write minus 2 by 5 raised to 2 into minus 2 by 5 raised to 3 is equal to minus 2 by 5 raised to 2 plus 3 is equal to minus 2 by 5 raised to 2 plus 3 is 5. Now my dear student, in both the cases we got the same answer, that is minus 2 by 5 raised to 5 minus 2 by 5 raised to 5. Then we can come to a conclusion. If a is a rational number and its indices, which is m and n, are positive integers and the indices have a same base and which are multiplied, we can add the index number. So a raised to m into a raised to n, we will get a raised to m plus n. My dear student, let's study problems of practice set 27. My dear student, we have studied multiplication of indices having same base. My dear student, all the problems given in practice set 27 depends upon indices with the same base. My dear student, if we get indices with the same base and these indices are multiplied, then we can add the index. Let's consider problem number 1. My dear student, here we have same base, that is 7, and there is multiplication of the indices with the same base, then what we can do? We can add the index. So we have taken the same base. Here there is multiplication of indices having the same base. So we can add the index. So we will add the index. 4 plus 2, 6. So we will get the answer 7 raised to 6. Now my dear student, if you consider the next problem, here you will see the base is same, that is minus 11. Now my dear student, here there are two indices having the same base and the base is minus 11. Then we can add the index. Five plus 2, 7. Then we will get the answer minus 11 raised to 7. Again, my dear student, if you observe the next example, here also you will see two indices are given with the same base, and the base is what? 6 by 7. So my dear student, we can add the index number. 3 plus 5, 8. So we get the answer 6 by 7 raised to 8. My dear student, here again we have two indices with the same base, that is minus 3 by 2. Then in such condition we can add the index. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. My dear student, then we will get the answer minus 3 by 2 raised to 8. Again, my dear student, here we have indices having the same base and multiplication is given. So we will write indices with the same base and the base is A. Now we can add the index. Is equal to 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Then we will get the answer A raised to 33. My dear student, again we have two indices. Both the indices number have same base and there is multiplication between them. So we can write the same base P by 5 and we can add the index. So we will get the answer P by 5 raised to